Welcome to Vlogmas day number 3. This is Alex. That's Raina. And we're doing a little concert today. So now you get to hear how we sound, how my band and I sound. Which I sound pretty bad. They all sound pretty good. I sound pretty bad. So just get ready for the king of crappiness here. And I have a little bit of a solo, so I'll let you guys check that out.
It's not a solo, man.
Well, no, I mean a solo as in like I'm standing by myself, but like you're over there.
Okay,
I'm doing this for my YouTube channel, so that as a little
Wow.
So I'm gonna put this on my stand, and then I can take a video of myself. I'm sure my dad will get a video of my solo though, so
Your solo?
my duo. I'm sorry, my duet of. It's like I said, I refer to it as a solo because I'm standing by myself. I know that it's both of us, but I'm standing alone over there, and you're way over there. So, but I mean combined, yes, it is a duet. So.
Whatever you want to say.